In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color to your Canva frames. This technique is perfect for adding a touch of personality and style to your designs, making them stand out. Let's dive into the steps, and by the end you'll be able to create custom frames with beautiful backgrounds effortlessly. First off, you'll want to start by selecting the image you want to work with. Simply click on the image you've uploaded or wish to use in your design. With your image selected, the next step is to access the background remover tool. Click on the BG remover button, which is typically located on the top editing bar in Canva. This feature will help you seamlessly remove any unwanted background from your image, giving you a clean slate to work with. Now, navigate to the Elements tab in Canva's sidebar. Once there, you'll be looking for the Frame option. Click on Frame to access various shapes and styles you can use in your design. Select the frame that best suits your design needs. Remember, the frame will serve as the area where you will apply the background color, so choose wisely. Once you have selected the desired frame, you want to duplicate it. Right-click on the frame and select Duplicate from the drop-down menu. This will create an identical copy right next to the original frame that you can work with. After duplicating, overlap the two frames by dragging one on top of the other. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation upon which you will build your background and image layers. Next, drag the image you initially selected into the top frame. Position it as you see fit, making sure it sits nicely within the borders of the frame. With the image in place, click on Position, then select Backward to send the frame backward. This action will allow the new background color to be more visible once it is applied. In the Elements section again, type keywords such as color or background into the search bar. This will display a range of templates for colorful backgrounds. Select the one that appeals to you the most, drag this selected background into the second, underlying frame you duplicated earlier. Finally, you'll want to ensure proper alignment and layering by using the Position feature again. Click backward to adjust the background, ensuring it falls behind the image while still showing through the frame. To finalize your creation, highlight all elements involved in your design, including both frames and the image, and then click Group. Grouping these items will lock everything in place, maintaining your layout even if you resize or move the design later. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add a stunning background color to your Canva frames, enhancing your designs and grabbing attention with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.